honey?
That's a good question, hon. I'm
Huh?
thinking of you.
Hey, my God.
Good morning, Philippines!
So why they are like, good morning, guys. Here's my baby. He argued with me early in the morning. But early in the morning, we just huggy over there, and now you argue with me. No, hon. Because we know you. Even our viewers know you.
Okay.
You cannot control. You always buy a lot in one time. And it's like crazy.
Because I don't want to run out every day or twice a week or 3 times a week. I like to buy it.
But we have a lot of frozen stuff.
See? Up until now, even the government, up until now, has been telling you, just buy a little bit, get yourself through the day. It's delivered to you. Now they're telling you to try and buy 1 to 2 weeks worth of food. So that you
No, they don't see that.
They were saying this morning. I've been saying this forever. They were like, but you want to control this, but you tell people to limit everything, and then they have to be in the store every day. So you're making more exposure. So now they're saying it.
Yeah, but we have a lot of frozen stuff.
We don't have a lot of frozen stuff, first of all.
Food, meat, yes we do. And we don't have even space. Why you see that?
It's fine, but you got no eggs. We got no kind of creamer. We got a little bit of creamer left. 1 little bottle. We got plenty of dog food because I know I bought a 2-pack and I don't even see that in there.
Anyway, guys, so this is our morning.
Grapefruits?
And he's having his grapefruit, and I'm having my bread with my little man. Good morning! Pasensya na talaga sa buko. Good morning
They're
po.
both waiting.
Time check, it is 7:07 in the morning. And guys, today is 63 degree, right? And then I have to plant.
Right now it's 35 degrees.
Yeah, 35 degree.
Good,
Pero
60.
mamaya pa yung 60. My grapes tree, it's higher even though there's no water, guys. It's so high, and I have to plant it very careful because
It's lightweight, portable, and stores away easily. Call or go on 704-610. That's 1-800-570-46. Grill, but hey, when your food gets stuck to the tray, you eat the new Yoshi non-stick grill cook-off. Juicy burgers, lip-smacking ribs, grill proper with copper. Yoshi copper grill mat. Now,
I know it's still there because people tell, smacking everything.
yeah. Na-surprise ako, guys, dahil ito, oh. Look. Cucumber, guys, oh. Tumutubo na sila. Andito din, oh, tumutubo na. And, alin pa dito, oh. Nakikita ko, it's buried a little bit. So, I just let it buried. Like, over here. And also, the celery is not growing. It's growing. The celery is growing, but it's so tiny. Like, guys, oh, tumubo na rin siya. Yung bell pepper. Sili ba? Sili. Tumubo na siya, guys. Yay! And guys, look at my green onion, guys. It's really growing happily ever after. Yeah! What are you barking about?
Cat.
Pum. Lampatam. Tam. Ibalik natin yung mga pinaglalagyan natin ng mga tomato, eggplant. Ibalik natin sa labas para mainitan. Kasi it's nice and sunny. Oh my God. Painitan natin sila, guys, para mainitan. It's kind of windy. I-prank ko si Tami, tinitext ko siya sa ibang number.
What our investigation is now focusing on.
Somebody texted you, hon.
I'll try.
Your best friend. Oh, you know, oh Lord. Oh, these people. What is it?
I'm skeptical. So I did some research and called Coventry Direct.
I like you?
They
What the
explained
hell is
life
that?
insurance is a valuable asset that can be sold.
We learned we could sell all
Hi, darling. I like you.
part of it with no future.
Ah,
Hi.
Tommy.
You got a phony number and try that scam on me. Are you freaking kidding me?
No, not. No,
Give me
I'm.
to your phone.
What?
$100,000.
Who is that, honey?
That's a good question, hon.
Huh?
I'm thinking it's you.
Hey, my
Give
God.
me your little phone scam crap.
Oh my God, you're like something else.
Yeah, all right.
183-6200.
I like you.
Coventry Direct, redefining insurance. If you struggle to
Is it, honey? Did you text that person too?
these people
You look like an idiot to you, what?
insulin resistance. Once you
No, I can't even. Did you change the password too?
What's with you?
Honey, oh, this is my God. What the heck is that?
Yeah, good question, hon.
Hon?
Hon? Who are you kidding? Where's your little scam app?
What scam app? There's no app.
Yeah, okay.
Get help without starvation.
Something wrong with you.
Yeah, something wrong with somebody here.
Step off the yo-yo
Ain't me.
dieting merry-go-round. Just
No, you are cheating on me.
I lost 75 pounds with Golo.
head to golo.com where people
Who is that?
Hon, I know it's you. Who are you at? I'm not stupid. I know it's you, hon. Do I look stupid to you, really? Seriously?
Honey, who is it?
Hon, how stupid do I
Who
look?
is it? Who is it?
Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Where's your little scammy camera? Where is it?
Nothing.
Right? So where's the app?
Oh, Nick. Oh, my God.
You did it from the computer?
Honey, who is that darling of yours?
Yeah. Who is it, hon? Who? Where'd you get this little scam app with your virtual number fucking crap? Do I look stupid?
Let me call your sister, okay?
Yeah.
Alam niya guys, hindi maluloko itong loko-loko. Somebody texted Tommy darling. Who darling?
Yeah.
He kind of like shocked when he's reading it, like he's afraid.
No, he's kind of not shocked when he's reading it because I knew right away it had to be you.
He's shocked. You're shaking, hon. You were shaking.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Well, your camera was on, so they could see for themselves I was shaking and shocked. Why didn't you get the picture?
I don't see it over there.
Are you kidding?
Hinahanap lang, sobrang windy ngayon guys, hinahanap lang ni Tommy yung septic namin dito. Look, ang ganda ng yellow na to. It's probably right here. Right here.
To do it while I sit here and wait for him to show up.
No, we have to go there to help him.
Like this, because I...
Huh? Hi guys, so Tommy is going to the store. So now I'm not going. So let's see what he get. When he get home, we are going to pakita ko sa inyo what he get from the store when he get home. So yeah, keep yapping Tommy, and that's your job. Yap, yup. It's like, anyway, so pasensya na sa buhok ng asawa ko kasi nandun sa ano, tignan nyo guys, he used the back scratcher. But anyway, so bigyan natin siya ng list kung ano yung bibilhin niya. So okay, let's put string beans.
Okay.
String beans, eggs, 2 dozen, small milk, the small gallon, don't go the normal muffin thingy, okay? Not almond. You're getting almond milk again? The same thing with banana?
The only thing I can...
Broccoli. What else?
Rye bread.
Rye bread. If you find some Hawaiian, get one thing because they're expensive, okay? Hawaiian, and because they are pricey and they are small bags. Don't go crazy, huh? You just get what needs, okay? Hey?
Yeah.
Because when you get home, I'm gonna film again
Lamb?
and what you get. Why lamb? We have lamb. We have
You
one.
just use
No, we have another one there.
Uh,
Oh, pork. The pork that I like, that strips fat shit.
oh, pork belly.
Pork belly, but it's sliced fat. The real, that thing. I'm gonna cook that with bok choy. No. Bok choy. Cabbage.
You want cabbage?
You just got me big cabbage.
You have?
Yeah, the cabbage that I use is the old one
Okay.
from when you were
Is the other
sick.
one good?
Yeah.
Okay. You want cauliflower or something? Asparagus?
Broccoli
You
and
broccoli and string beans. You want asparagus?
no,
cauliflower?
get frozen stuff. Frozen vegetables. Any frozen vegetables.
Okay.
Not too many because we don't
You
have
want
space.
You want Brussels sprouts?
Okay, get Brussels. Not frozen, huh? Brussels. Han, you be careful. And don't forget to bring bag. Okay? Because me, I'm not going, guys. Kasi I'm going outside dig a hole for my... and
My grave? She's
Grapes.
digging a hole to bury me in my grave. You're
for the
my
grapes.
grave.
Honey, your hearing is need cleaning. Your ear.
Okay. What else? You need white bread in case you want to make... we want to make...
No, we still have white bread from
Yeah, I know, but
Mom.
that's getting a little hardish. You want for making French toast?
And that's why I get the milk for French toast. White bread. You know, the Italian bread that I like, you know that. You know that we get usually.
That kind.
Yeah, that kind.
You know,
With seeds.
with seeds.
Sesame seeds.
Sauce
And
cookies.
every time the thing, it's too much noise. When you sit in the toilet, that heater is like prr, prr, prr. I cannot even concentrate malibang.
Well, I get this for you. That's noise from the water when I'm downstairs. It's not
Nothing.
The pump,
We
not
can't
the pump's
even-
making noise, so it's in the pipes. So there's gotta be air in the pipes or something. There's nothing to do with the
Can
pump.
we air?
I bled the heating line, so that could be just in
You
regular
don't
plumbing.
bleed downstairs, and you don't bleed upstairs too.
Yes, I did.
That was long time ago.
You only need to bleed them. Yeah, you shouldn't have to bleed them all the time.
Every season, Han.
What else? Anything else?
That's it, Han. And please don't go crazy.
String beans, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, frozen vegetables, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
We don't have refrigerator space.
I don't know. You wanted ice cream last time, so you use up the ice cream. So they need
So
more.
what kind of meat for dinner
2 dozen
tonight?
eggs.
Oh, get chicken, Han, for tonight.
Oh, chicken. Okay, hold on.
Thai, chicken thighs. For tonight, ha, boneless, huh?
All right, milk, almond milk, English muffins, rye bread, Hawaiian bread, white bread, lamb, chicken thighs, pork belly, and sauce crumb.
Hold on. Hold on. Get tomato. You know the tomato thing that rounds like this, honey?
Plum tomatoes.
That's that plum tomato. Not it's small like this. That's not like this.
No, those are cherry tomatoes or
Okay.
grape tomatoes.
And this is really good.
Garlic.
You have still garlic. You have to use the
Do
garlic
we-
you got.
Do we need more? I mean, we use a lot every time we use it. So do we need more?
Okay, give them garlic. Whatever. Han, you're adding more, Han, and now we don't
I'm
have
asking
money.
you, hun, I'm asking you because I don't want to do multiple trips because I forgot this. I didn't think of this. I forgot this.
Okay, go now. That's it, Han, please.
Onions.
We have onions. I promise.
How many onions do we got?
Oh, get onion, Tommy.
I'm asking.
Han, that's it, Tommy.
Okay, you don't need carrots. We don't need
I
celery.
would know
we
there
don't
is a
need
lot of
nothing.
carrots.
Nothing else we need. Anything dog and cat wise?
No, we get that from
Yeah, but we're not necessarily going there soon, and the cats are down to the. All right. You sure there's nothing else I can think of here?
Honey, it tickles.
Well, you want to tickle? I'll tickle you.
Honey, honey, look. Honey, look.
That don't do it.
Look.
That don't do it, huh?
Can you use this like baby? It tickles for me.
It don't tickle for you if I do it either. It don't. See, your arm's not even moving, so I know it don't tickle. If it tickled, your arm would come right down trying to stop it.
It tickles.
Who are you kidding?
It tickles. It tickles.
Yeah.
That's it, baby. That's it.
You
So,
sure?
tingnan natin, guys, kung ano yung mga binibili niya na additional na mga... Ay, nak... Ah! Ay, nak... Ah!
I didn't feel that.
I hurt myself. I don't like this, honey. Oh, Han, this is hard.
What do you think, guys? Was that funny or what? Do it again. All right, I have to get up so I can go. I guess I'm gonna have to walk around to the outside to go in
Let's
the garage.
kumot-kumot. Gikumot-kumot. Sada kung kumot.
When I go out the front, lock the door.
Umalis na si Tami. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa labas. Mahangin. So, I think dry na. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ulit. So, anyway. So, ngayon, nalabas ako, guys. Para magdig ako sa ground. Para ilagay ko ito. Update na naman tayo sa grapes ko. Look, tumaas na talaga siya, diba? Look, pataas na ng pataas. And, basa pa siya. I think basa-basa pa konti. I'm not sure kung ano. Yeah. Snake. Sa harapan ng bahay talaga. Lala. Okay. Lala. Binato ko, guys, natamaan siya, kaya yun yung position niya. Kaloka naman ito. No, eat. Did you wash your hands?
Yes. You want chicken?
Huh? On the stores? Drop me
I
stick.
kept all.
Oh my God, look at this. Did you see that? Did you see that?
I kept all.
Guys, Tommy got Hawaiian bread. Han, this is not good, honey.
What?
You do it, Han. The meat should be separated from this thing you eat. Meat and the bread, seriously? Chicken. This is not the chicken we talk about, but he got turkey,
The ham.
ham, and another chicken. What kind of chicken is this? We have. I told you just. Tommy.
The ham is my
This
food.
is not what we talk about. Why you get a lot of chicken?
The
You
ham
know
is
how
my
many
free ham.
chicken you have downstairs?
Fun.
I'm looking for thighs. And he got my egg. 2 eggs. 3 dozens. And oh my God, guys. Ice cream. No, you have to find place with that, huh? Because I'm not doing it. And he got a lot of, what is this?
String meat.
String beans, turkey for the kids, garlic, another turkey, frozen vegetables. What kind of frozen is this?
Oh, really?
And he got more bread. This is, what is this bread?
English muffins.
Muffins.
2 pack was $4.49.
Are we gonna eat this tonight?
Yeah, 2 pack was $4.49 and 1 pack $4.45.
Mashed potato. Why you get some stuff?
You said you want a seafood salad.
Wow, Tommy. He got squid. He got mussels. He got whatever.
Hello, monkey.
What else you got? Honey, I feel like sicker now. Broccoli rub.
I'm making.
Oh my God. Honey, why you getting this is dinner? Huh?
Yep.
Another bread, dry bread.
Come here, little man.
More frozen
Yeah.
vegetables. Malahan, we cannot fit nothing here now. Broccoli. I think I'm gonna cook all this and then put it in the freezer. Creamer. What is this are you getting? All of this we're gonna eat?
What?
No, frozen.
2 shrimp scampi.
Then we're gonna eat this.
Oh, no, no.
one.
Yeah,
Are we're not gonna cook the 2 bags, right?
yeah. And you have the shrimp fried rice for a different time.
Just frozen.
Because I know you like shrimp fried rice. So.
Okay, you got this bulb. And it's all frozen. I'll put that back here. And why you get more fruits and you have over there you don't even eat? Clementines.
Yeah, blah, 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 blah.
And milk.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Come on, blah. That's a good one.
And then he got almond
With coconut.
with coconut. It's not banana. And what else? Ugh, everything is mixed. You don't know how to do it. This is soft scrub for the bathroom. He got another floor restore like what we did on the floor.
Well, I didn't have the one we're using, but
Another scrubbing bubble for the bathroom. He get AC off for the grill cleaning. I don't know why he added all this. And tomato and onion. So that's it, guys. It's a lot of things Tommy got. And he spent, it's here, it's right here. Guys, it's right here.
200.
Holy shit, honey. Every time,
Yeah, I like
200
it.
bucks.
I like it because